Here's the last question on the practice test. Vanessa, who loves amusement park rides, is positioned on the Ferris wheel such that once her ride begins, her initial height d in feet above the ground after 2 seconds is given by this equation. Well, as soon as I see this equation, I recognize that it is in standard form, where this is A, this is B, C, and D. How long does it take Vanessa to make one complete revolution? Remember, a complete revolution, a complete one whole time around is the same as a period. When we go all the way around the unit circle, we've done a complete sine or cosine curve. And since we're dealing with cosine, it would be one complete time around the circle or one period. So what we need to do is figure out what the period is. That's really what this is asking for. What is the period? One complete revolution is the period. Well, we know that 2 pi divided by b is what gives us the period. So 2 pi divided by b is pi over 60. So 2 pi times the reciprocal. Pi's cancel and I get 120. So for how long? That must be 120. How is time measured? I'm assuming in seconds, 120 seconds. To go around, yes, t seconds right there. Next question says, at the start of the ride, how high is Vanessa off the ground? Right? The start of the ride means no time has passed. T equals 0. So I'm going to put 0 in for t in my equation. 45 times the cosine of pi over 60 times 0 minus 20 plus 50. So d equals 45 times the cosine of pi over 60 times negative 20 plus 50. Keep simplifying. Cosine. Negative 20 over 60 pi. The zeros cancel, and I have negative 2/6 pi, which is negative 1/3 pi. So this is negative pi over 3 plus 50. So I just did this part right here, over here on the side. This is kind of like my little thought bubble, if you will, on how to do that. Then I have the distance is 45. I need to figure out what is the cosine of negative pi over 3. I think about my unit circle. My pi over 3 family is here, so negative pi over 3 would be here. My ordered pair is 1/2. Square root of 3 over 2, that would be negative, and negative square root of 3. Cosine is the x-coordinate, so it's 1/2. So my distance is, what's half of 45? That would be 22.5 plus 50. So I get 72.5 feet. So just right here, I just had to simplify in order to get something that's on the unit circle. And that's how I'd be able to solve this. And that's my final answer.